My name is Miguel. I was a Codeward officer today helping at the Petoi workshop. I just want to say it went extremely well. All the kids were having a lot of fun. I think they understood the concept really well, and they were able to work with the robot amazingly and actually get it to do all the commands we were trying to teach them.
I thought the workshop went pretty well. The students I had were very excited for it, and I think just seeing the youth be excited for the robots was just really inspiring.
Codeward was really good today at the Hayward Public Library. It was great to see the kids working with the robots, doing robot races. Everybody had a lot of fun, and it looks like we learned a lot too. In general, Codeward has been awesome for Hayward Public Library. It's been great to see kids of different ages come in and learn a little bit about technology and make new friends.
Parents, I would recommend definitely bring your kid down. It's very easy and accessible and easy to learn, easy to pick up, and I think the kids had a lot of fun, especially because they're working with people in their age group, and it's more fun to work in a group like that in a team setting. And we won the race. Our dog Speedy won, so that's even better. So I recommend to come down.